Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning the Art. I hope that you people are doing good. So in today's video we're gonna draw and paint realistic eye. The first step is very easy. Anybody can do it, is to draw a simple circle. Then we are going to divide this circle into half vertically and horizontally. The eye that we are doing is looking at the sideways on the left side. So we'll draw a circle that is a little bit on the left side, and with the help of the circle, we'll create the shape of the eye. Half of the eye will be above the horizontal line and half will be a little bit below that. Don't forget to draw the pupil, and we'll leave some distance, follow the shape of eye, and we'll do eyelid with the help of it. So lashes will be in two direction. Most of the people, they make this mistake that they do lashes in one direction, which is absolutely wrong. So I'm giving this eye a sharper look. That's why I'm making the eyebrow a little bit sharper. As you can see, it's like the intense gaze. We'll mark the areas until where I'm going to do the paint. It's better to do this because if you do it randomly while doing the painting, you may upset the balance of the painting. We'll start as usual from the darker tones, and for that I'm going to use my raw umber and burnt umber together. We'll add just a little bit amount of our burnt sienna as well to give it a little bit warmer look. So as I mentioned earlier, it's supposed to be very intense gaze. That's why I'm even defining the eyeline really well. So for that, I'm using my cadmium red along with burnt sienna. For the lighter areas, I'm taking a little bit amount of my zinc titanium along with yellow ochre, burnt sienna and pale yellow. For the lighter areas, I'm taking my zinc titanium directly and applying it on the highlighted areas. Why? Because right now we are working in alla prima, and those who don't know what alla prima means, it's a technique in which we basically don't wait for the first layer to dry first, and we keep adding the details while our previous layer is still very wet. So even if I use my zinc titanium directly, it's not gonna look white at all. It's gonna be blended with the previous tone, and yet we will have the lighter tone of the previous tone. That's how it really works. So you can use zinc titanium directly, breaking the rule. It's all fine until you're getting what you want. You have to do the blending in the same direction as the shape of your object. So as we are painting the eye, I'm supposed to move my brush in the same direction as the movement of my eye. In order to do that, we have to be really careful, okay? Just make sure that you're following the shape of the eye. For the eyebrow, just make sure that you're not using your lamp black directly. You have to take lamp black but just use a little bit amount of burnt umber or raw umber. It can be any tones of brown. Just do not use your lamp black directly, because if you do that, it's gonna look fake and not realistic at all. So for the iris, I'm going to take my raw sienna along with yellow ochre and little bit amount of sap green, because the eye that you're doing is like dark green. For the pupil, you can use your lamp black directly, which is absolutely okay. Just make sure that your blending game is really strong, because if you do that, you'll be able to create the depth in your painting. Now this is my favorite part, to add the sharp highlight with the help of zinc titanium in the iris to create the reflection of the eye. It's kind of really fun, and you can even add zinc titanium in tear duct area as well, because it does look natural and realistic, because when you observe your eye you can clearly see the reflection in your tear duct area as well. Now, for the lashes, go with burnt umber and raw umber together. Do not use your lamp black. And you see, I'm showing you here very clearly that lashes are gonna be in opposite direction. And not only that, some of the lashes are gonna be longer in length and some of them will be shorter. And they will be overlapping with each other as well. So make sure to do that. Take a good time to observe the reference image so that you'll be able to do it exactly like that. The same thing goes with the lower lash as well. It moves in two directions, which is like the opposite of each other, like you can see right now. So, the movement of your brush is the most important thing here. In order to create the illusion or depth in your painting, you have to move your brush in the right direction. Okay, so make sure that you blend really well and move your brush in the same direction as it's supposed to be. In this way, you can create depth in your painting, and your painting will look way better than it was before.